Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs, and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing for you. Now, I started unboxing the box and talking into the microphone, and I realized that I didn't press record. So, fortunately, I had stopped there. So I still don't know what's in here. So I'm gonna pull off to the side. Okay, all right, interesting. Uh, Feynman. Yep, I know what this is. Okay, yeah. I know what this is. This is the Eclipse one Eclipse Feynman. Uh, Very cool and interesting. I don't think I've had anything on this channel that even resembles anything like this. Um, Blue dial, no loom on this one. Um, and it's got a manual movement. Let's get that going over there. That seconds hand kind of at the 7 o'clock position is funny. My buddy Amin did a live review of this, which was brilliant, by the way. And so there was a lot of chatter about what that seconds hand looks like. Um, and actually, there are a whole lot of reviews on this watch. So let me put it on rest. I'll do a review, um, and hopefully I can add something that maybe you guys haven't heard or seen. I'm really conscious about what kind of content I want to provide for you guys. Like, I want to make it worth your while actually to subscribe to my channel because I do consider it a privilege and an honor when you guys watch and subscribe. So. I know that there's a lot of choices out there and a lot of reviews, especially lately on this watch. Now this fits pretty good on wrist here, and very brigade-like with these grooves on the side of the case over here. Pretty cool, very interesting. No loom, like I said, on this watch, but it's got a lot of character here. The strap is definitely interesting. Kind of looks like a sort of like a lizard skin. I mean, I have no idea what it is, but I'll get all that information for you guys on the review. Anyway, guys, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for stopping in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.